Hey people, today we have a bike lock. It's quite a big bike lock. It's locked. We have a key. It is a wafer, 6 wafers on the top and on the bottom as well. Got this off my father-in-law. He bought this ABUS bike lock from a guy and it cost him £20, so we thought he'll give it me and just test out the security, see if we can get it picked open. So there we go, it's locked, unlocked. Got the ABUS mark on there, and here we go. Going in now. Got it open, guys. There it is. Lock back up. So for £20, I don't think he got his money worth there. It is resistant to bypass, so I did try that earlier on, but picking that didn't take that long and your bike's gone. Thanks for watching, people.